Hello student, there is announcement about our CSAT Iconic Test Series Batch 2 which we are starting on 15th November 2025. It is not just test series, we have extra feature. I tell you, in this test series we have total 18 tests, like we have 10 sectional and 8 full length tests which are going to be on latest pattern. We'll have statement based question, data sufficiency question, number system questions, and there will be like here surprise element, challenge, as we have in UPSC paper. You will get detailed explanation of each and every question. For online student it will be in PDF format. For offline student we will provide you hard copy plus video explanation of each and every question you will get. Short trick will be explained because you can't afford to use school method, because if you use school method you will take 7-8 minutes per question. So time is the key, so you have to learn short trick. Short trick will be explained for this part. Plus we have 12 theme based lecture which are going to be score booster, like especially on number system, statement based question, data sufficiency question, and the latest pattern thing. And this 12 lecture will help you to increase your score by 20 marks. These are going to be very important. We cover advanced level of thing and the latest pattern thing in this 12 lecture. Plus we have monthly doubt session for test series student. Test series students के लिए भी हमने doubt session रखा है. Monthly there will be one doubt session. We will maintain your progress report. Plus you will get 30 workbook. Like day 1 we will give you workbook 1, there will be 30 question, day 2 workbook 2, day 3 workbook 3. So every day you will get 30 questions, and on this workbook there will be doubt sessions as well. Evening mein there will be a doubt sessions on your doubts. So here we are starting this batch on 15th November, and this is good time to join test series, because what you can do, you can have a analysis what are your problem area, then there is a time for improvement. Like if you join in month of April or March, so then there will be some burden, so you can start or you can switch to your prelims preparation around November. You can have like integrated approach, pre, cum, mains, and from January onward you have to be serious about your prelims preparation. So if you are interested for this course, you can visit our website iassetu.com, or you can call on our reception number 8826619699. Thank you students.